Marie cooking.
Hi everyone who is watching this video. Today we're gonna cook juicy and soft apple pie with crispy crust. So let's start cooking. For this recipe, take 4 eggs. Add sugar 150 grams, vanilla 1 gram, and a pinch of salt. Using an electric mixer, beat eggs on high speed for 3-5 minutes until thick, fluffy, and pale yellow. After that, add flour 150 grams and baking powder 1 teaspoon. Mix everything carefully. The consistency must be like batter. It means like liquid dough. Then peel the apples. Cut apples into thin slices. For crispy crust, mix sifted flour 4 tablespoons, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, sugar 50 grams, and butter 50 grams. Combine everything to crumbs. As a final step, grease a baking dish with a little piece of butter. Put the apple slices in the form. Pour the butter on the apples. Sprinkle crumbs on top. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Voila! The apple pie with crispy crust is ready. As you see, it's very easy to cook, and if I can do this, you can do this too. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel and push the like button. Bon appetit!